We are going to search how to buy shares of Twilio Inc A to demonstrate the process. Twilio is a cloud communications platform providing messaging and voice APIs. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker TWLO. This video is educational and not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as a neutral example. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform's search field and type the ticker TWLO to find the company listing. Select the result that matches Twilio Inc A to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Double-check the name and ticker to confirm this is the Twilio Inc A share. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. After the order is filled, your position will appear in your portfolio. Check the link in the description if you want to visit the broker example shown in this video.